Good morning everyone. Today I am Anjali Pant of class 12C from Kendriya Vidyalay number 1 Rurki, and I am here to tell you about the historical temple of our beautiful state Karnataka under ABSB. Yes, Ek Bharat Sarvashresht Bharat. Karnataka is lot more than just a popular travel destination. It is a place that has preserved its culture, heritage around contemporary settings. There are various places that are best owed with beautiful natural beauty and hence making it one of the best places to visit in India. So, take a look at the most famous temples in Karnataka. So, the first temple is Durga Temple, located in Aihole in Balakot district. Durga Temple is a historic temple complex and a popular tourist place in North Karnataka. It was constructed in 7th century AD. The temple boasts a beautiful rock-cut architecture as we can see in the picture and is assembled in an apsidal and rectangle shape, making it look more beautiful and different from other temples in Karnataka. So, our second temple is Keshwa Temple, constructed in 1286 AD. It is present in Somnathpur. Keshwa Temple is one of the heritage temples in India and one of the most preferred religious places in Karnataka. The distinct element of this temple is its 3-star shape, sanctuaries covered with intricate sculptures. Our third temple is Murdeshwar Shiva Temple in Bhatkal, situated on the Kunduka hill on the beach of Arabian Sea. Murdeshwar Temple is one of the best Shiva temple in Karnataka, having the second tallest statue of the Lord Shiva in the world. Apart from offering breathtaking views of the surroundings, this pilgrimage destination in Karnataka offers tranquility to let you pray to Lord Shiva in peace. Now, our fourth temple is Kukke Subramaniam Temple, located at a distance of 100 kilometers from Mangalore. And Kukke Subramaniam Temple is one of the most revered temple in Karnataka, enclosed by the beautiful river, hills and lush greenery, and this religious site helps you pray to Lord Subramaniam in the most peaceful environment. And the place holds a great religious significance as it is believed that serpent god Vasuki and other serpents found refuge under Lord Subramaniam when attacked by Garuda. Now, moving on to our fifth temple, that is Udupi Sri Krishna Temple, built in 13th century by Madhavacharya. And Udupi Sri Krishna Temple is a popular Krishna temple in Karnataka. And there is a story behind this temple, that is an ardent devotee of Krishna was denied entry into the temple because of its caste. So, he would stand dedicatedly and pray. Seeing his devotion, Sri Krishna was touched. Even today, one can see the ideal through a window named as Kanakai Kindi. Now, our sixth temple is Vithala Temple in Hampi, is one of the best UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. And it is famous for its exceptional architecture and unmatched craftsmanship and unmatched detailing in the temple. It is considered to be one of the largest and the most famous temples in Karnataka. The Vithala temple looks unique and its musical monolithic pillars and the stone chariot which fascinate the travelers from all over the world. So, without wasting time, let's move to our next beautiful temple, Vidya Shankara Temple located in Sringeri and famous for its magnificent architecture. Vidya Shankara Temple is a renowned temple in Karnataka dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple contains images of Lord Srinivasa, Lord Venugopal and Nandi constructed for a large pearl along with several creative inscriptions across the temple. As we all know, our country is surrounded with so many temples, with so many masjid, with so many gurdwara. But apart from that, you know what is great about our country? Yes, the unity, ekta, which make this country more beautiful. Thank you.